Hello friends, welcome to GoGoA1.com. GoGoA1.com is the leading manufacturer of EV conversion kits. EV conversion means your existing vehicles we can convert into the electric and registered with RTO. So GoGoA1.com is the first company who has already completed their 52 plus two-wheelers models approval processes. Also we got approval from RTOs, and now we are extending our range from two-wheeler to four-wheeler. This is our new innovation of hybrid EV conversion for cars up to 1200 cc. Before we are having the conversion kits for Activa and like that scooters. Now our Activa all models are approved by ARAI. And motorcycle conversion, this one is the motorcycle conversion, and motorcycle Hero Honda and Hero, almost 45 plus models are already approved by ARAI and RTO. So these kits can use up to 350cc bikes, like a Honda CB 350 you can use, Hero Xpulse 200 you can use. So different type of bikes you can use. If you wish to check a complete list of approved models, you can visit our website gogoa1.com and you can check for the list. Now on 26 January 2024, we are launching our hybrid EV conversion kit, which will be the RTO approved as well the ARI approved. So in this kit, this is the very innovative and very useful concept according to the Indian requirement. Here now many people has already taken initiative and purchased electric vehicles, but they are also facing some challenges. So what we have done in last 12 years, we have researched all models of two-wheelers, three-wheelers and four-wheelers. We have developed electric technologies for them, drivetrains, conversion kits, and we are also doing the OE supplies for our drivetrain components like motors and controllers. So here if we see this kit, we have this particular kit we have developed for WagonR. So what we are doing, WagonR is having the front wheel drive. So on engine your front wheel is rotating, it's providing power to the front wheel, and we have developed these motors, brake system and complete axle for rear. So entirely this axle will get changed, and you have to just remove the existing axle and you can place this new axle. So all WagonR models you can fix this. Similarly we have developed for Alto 800, and now we are developing for all other models which comes from Maruti, Tata, Mahindra, Hyundai, Honda. So all these models will have particular axle according to the model, and that after purchasing our centers, the RTO approved authorized conversion centers, they don't need to do much modifications. They can simply install this new axle with replacement of your old axle. So how this kit works, this one is the hybrid conversion. In this hybrid conversion, hybrid means there are three types of conversion. One is fully electric conversion, we remove the engine and do the complete electrification. Second one is dual mode conversion, like you can use on complete electric mode or you can use on complete petrol mode. So this one is the dual conversion, but dual conversion requires a battery capacity and the motor power equal to the engine capacity or surplus to the engine capacity. And third option is hybrid conversion, where you can take some power from engine and you can take some power from electric mode. So both can work together, or you can use according to the torque requirement. Example, in first gear or in inclination or while you are starting the car, first move, it required a higher torque. When you required a higher torque, you can use the engine power, and while the vehicle is in momentum, then in that case you doesn't require a much power. So while you come on the 30-40 kilometer per hour speed, you can switch to the electric, and now you can drive vehicle only through the electric mode. While driving on the electric mode, there are two options. You can switch off the engine, or you can put vehicle in neutral mode and you can continue running the engine. Why you will continue that engine running? Because your AC is connected with the engine, brake booster vacuum pump is connected with the engine, and if there is no electric power steering and if it is the hydraulic power steering, then it is connected with the engine. So what we need to do, if you replace these three operations through the electric mode, then you can stop the engine and you can just run on the electric mode. When you require a higher torque, if there is the inclination or guard section or the overloading, or you required a high pickup and all these things, that time you can use the engine. And if you don't want to use the engine, you can still run on electric mode and you can use AC, brake booster and power steering through electric. But if we change complete AC system, if we change brake booster and if we change the power steering system, then the cost will be higher. So what we have tried over here to deliver complete conversion kit with batteries in minimal price. How much is the minimal price? If you check in the market, new EV price is more than 8,50,000, or if you check for a Nexon, it is more than 12 to 13 lakh. And another company's models also like that. These two models, like a Tiago and Nexon, these two models are the most economy models in market. Another companies, many companies are having the electric versions like in 20 lakh, 25 lakh, 40 lakh, up to 1 crore, 1.5 crore, 2 crores. So according to your choice, you can purchase the new electric vehicle. But while you are purchasing new electric vehicle, so there are two major challenges in India. One is the charging infrastructure, and second is